Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will teach you how to hide your personal snaps, videos and photos. You can hide snaps without third-party application. You can see up here on the screen. Guys, for this process, please watch till end. First of all, open Snapchat application. You can see up here on the screen. Here, now scroll up. Guys, now you can see up here on the screen, camera roll, stories. Here, now simply tap on my eyes. You can see up here on the screen top right corner, tap on my eyes only. Here, now guys, tap on setup icon. You can see up here on the screen, tap on it. Here, set your password for open this photos and videos. You can see up here on the screen, I am setting. You can see this is my passcode. Here guys, now tap on I understand, click here, and now continue, and now wait a few seconds. Here tap on finish and your setup finish, and tap on your passcode, my passcode 000. Guys, now how you move in this folder your personal snaps, specific snaps. Now guys, simply open Snapchat application. Here, now guys, scroll up. You can see up here on the screen, I want to hide this snap. You can see now long press and tap on three dot and simply hide snap. Tap on here and simply tap on move. You can see up here on the screen. This video successfully hide my this folder. You can see up here on the screen. Now tap on here. Now enter my passcode. Here my passcode is 000. You can see up here on the screen. I am entering. Here this is my video. You can see up here on the screen. If you like my video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.